Welcome to D-Link Tutorials. Let us see how to add an D-Link Indigenous series camera on a D-Link Indigenous series NVR. In my case, I am using an Indigenous camera DCS F5612L1 and an Indigenous series NVR DNR F5232M8. You will have to go to the main menu. Here you will see multiple icons on the screen. You will have to select camera. Once you select camera, in camera configuration, you will see options of encode, overlay, camera and channel type. You will have to select on camera. You will have to select the search option. Make sure the NVR and camera's IP are in the same series and in the same network. Once the search is complete, all the cameras in the network will be visible. Click on the plus icon corresponding to the respective camera you desire to add. Check the connection status now. In my case, it is connected. If in your case it doesn't connect, you will have to check the password. If the password is once the password is correct, click on OK. Once the status shows connected, you will have to click on the human eye icon on the top left of your screen. Here you can see the live view is visible. Thank you for watching.